Okay, we have a FANUC ROBODRILL model a-T14iDs. This is a drilling and tapping machine. Serial number P04XUJ332. Machine was new in 2004 and we are running.
That's 4,000 RPM.
4,000 RPM. It's going up. 9,000 RPM. 12,000 RPM. Machine has a BT30 spindle. It goes up to, again, 20,000. You have a 24.8 by 13 inch table. Travels are 11.8 inches in the X and in the Y, 11.8, and 12.99 in the Z. That's your Z. He's doing a tool change. Another tool change. That's your Z. Your Y. And your X. All right, you've seen all three axes, you've seen the spindle run. Thank you for watching our video. Now,